Are you dreaming of an unforgettable international trip but worried about the cost? What if I told you that you can explore some of the world's most stunning destinations for 7 full days without draining your bank account? From the tropical paradise of Bali to the historic streets of Prague, this video reveals secret budget, friendly travel hacks and top destinations that will change the way you plan your trips forever. Don't miss out on the chance to travel smarter, save big, and experience the adventure you've always wanted. Your perfect, affordable 7-day international getaway starts right now. Watch closely or risk missing out. Bali! If you want to plan a perfect 7-day international trip on a budget, Bali is one of the best destinations to consider. Bali offers beautiful beaches, rich culture, and affordable prices that suit travelers with limited budgets. First, book your flight early. Flights to Bali can be cheaper if you plan ahead and use flight comparison websites. Also, try to travel in the off-season when prices are lower. Next, find affordable accommodation. Bali has many guest houses, hostels, and budget hotels that offer clean and comfortable rooms. Areas like Ubud and Canggu are popular and have many budget options. For food, Bali offers delicious street food and local warungs where meals are very cheap, usually under $3. Try local dishes like nasi goreng and mai goreng to enjoy authentic flavors without spending much. When it comes to activities, Bali has many free or low-cost options. You can visit beautiful temples like Uluwatu and Tanah Lot, enjoy the beaches, or go hiking in the rice terraces. Renting a scooter is also cheap and helps you explore the island easily. Remember to set a daily spending limit to keep your budget on track. Use cash for small purchases and keep track of your expenses daily. With smart planning, you can enjoy a full week in Bali with culture, nature, and adventure, all without breaking the bank. It is a perfect choice for a budget-friendly 7-day international trip. Lisbon. For your perfect 7-day international trip under budget, Lisbon is a great choice. Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, offers beautiful architecture, rich history, and affordable prices compared to other European cities. Start by booking flights early to get the best deals. Use flight comparison tools and consider flying midweek to save money. Accommodation in Lisbon is budget-friendly, especially if you stay in hostels or guest houses around neighborhoods like Alfama or Bairro Alto. These areas are safe and full of local charm. Food in Lisbon is both tasty and cheap. Try traditional dishes like pastel de nata, custard tart, and bacalhau salted cod. You can find meals for under 10 at local cafes and markets. Explore the city by walking or using the affordable public transport system. Visit landmarks like Belém Tower, Jeronimos Monastery, and São Jorge Castle, many of which have low or free entrance fees. Don't miss riding the famous Tram 28 for a scenic tour of the city's historic areas. Set a daily budget and keep track of spending to avoid surprises. Lisbon offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and budget-friendly travel for your 7-day trip. Prague. For a budget-friendly 7-day international trip, Prague is an excellent choice. Known as the City of 100 Spires, Prague offers stunning architecture, rich history, and affordable prices that make it perfect for travelers on a budget. Start by booking flights early to find the best deals. Look for budget airlines flying into Václav Havel Airport. Accommodation options like hostels, guest houses, and budget hotels in areas such as Old Town and Lvov offer great value and easy access to main attractions. Food in Prague is delicious and cheap. Try local dishes like goulash, sausages, and dumplings at traditional pubs for under $7. Most of Prague's famous sites, like Charles Bridge, Old Town Square, and the astronomical clock, are free to visit. Entrance fees to castles and museums are usually low, making sightseeing affordable. Use the efficient public transport system to get around, or simply explore the city by walking to enjoy its beautiful streets and hidden gems. With careful planning, Prague gives you a full cultural experience for 7 days without breaking your budget. Mexico. For a perfect 7-day international trip on a budget, Mexico is a top destination to consider. Mexico offers vibrant culture, amazing food, and beautiful beaches, all at affordable prices. Book your flights early and look for deals to popular cities like Mexico City, Cancun, or Guadalajara. Accommodation ranges from budget hostels to affordable hotels, especially in areas like Mexico City's Centro Histórico or Cancún's Hotel Zone. Street food in Mexico is delicious and very cheap. Try tacos, quesadillas, and tamales for just a few dollars. Explore famous sites like the ancient Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza or the colorful streets of Oaxaca. Many attractions have low entrance fees or are free. Public transport and shared shuttles are budget-friendly ways to get around. By planning your meals, stays, and transport carefully, you can enjoy an unforgettable 7-day trip full of culture, history, and fun without spending a fortune. Thailand. For a budget-friendly 7-day international trip, Thailand is an excellent choice. Known for its stunning beaches, rich culture, and affordable prices, Thailand offers a lot without draining your wallet. Book flights early to get the best deals to cities like Bangkok or Chiang Mai. Accommodation options include budget hostels, guest houses, and affordable hotels, especially in popular areas like Khao San Road in Bangkok or the Old City in Chiang Mai. Street food is delicious and cheap. You can enjoy dishes like pad thai, som tum papaya salad, and mango sticky rice for just a couple of dollars. Explore free or low-cost attractions such as temples, night markets, and beautiful parks. Don't miss visiting the Grand Palace and Wat Phu in Bangkok. Use public transport like tuk-tuks, buses, and inexpensive trains to get around. With smart planning, you can enjoy a full week in Thailand's vibrant culture and natural beauty without spending too much. Vietnam. For a budget-friendly 7-day international trip, Vietnam is a perfect destination. It offers amazing landscapes, rich history, and very affordable prices for travelers. Book your flights early to cities like Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City to get the best deals. Accommodation in Vietnam includes budget hostels and guest houses that are clean and cheap, especially in popular areas like Old Quarter in Hanoi or District 1 in Ho Chi Minh City. Food is delicious and very affordable. Street food like pho, banh mi, and spring rolls usually cost less than $2 per meal. Explore free or low-cost attractions such as Hoan Kiem Lake, ancient temples, and bustling markets. Day trips to places like Halong Bay or the Cu Chi tunnels are affordable and popular. Use local buses, motorbike taxis, or rent a scooter to get around cheaply. Vietnam offers a rich cultural experience and beautiful scenery, making it a great budget choice for a 7-day trip. Greece. For a perfect 7-day international trip on a budget, Greece is a wonderful choice. Famous for its history, islands, and tasty food, Greece offers a memorable trip without high costs. Book flights early to cities like Athens or Thessaloniki to get affordable tickets. Stay in budget hotels, hostels, or guest houses, especially in Athens or on less touristy islands like Naxos or Paros. Enjoy delicious Greek food like souvlaki gyros and fresh seafood at local tavernas for very reasonable prices. Visit free or cheap attractions such as ancient ruins, beautiful beaches, and charming villages. Use public transport like buses or ferries to explore islands and cities cheaply. With careful planning, Greece offers a rich mix of culture, history, and stunning nature that fits well within a budget for a 7-day trip. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our expert travel advice. Now, tell me, what's the one destination you've always wanted to visit but thought was too expensive? Could smart planning change your travel game? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your dream trips! And don't miss our next video, Most Peaceful Villages in the World to Escape the City, coming soon! Get ready for more travel inspiration that will take you beyond the ordinary.